Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on November 14, 2022, 3-star Sudoku. Column I, column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 4 will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Third kid, we have 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 4 also here. Then third grid, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, we have pair numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Third row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. 9 will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Then column C, column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Ninth grade, we have 1, 6, 4. The 3 numbers can't come these 3 cells. It will come in another 3 cells. Column G, column D, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column D, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then fourth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Seventh row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then seventh grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. The ninth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 5, 9. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Sixth row, column J, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. 7 will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column J, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. The ninth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column H, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. The ninth grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 8. Column I, column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. The ninth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Eighth row, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Fourth row, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Third row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Column E, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column E, column F, we have 8. 6th grade also we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 7th row and 5th row we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column F, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column I, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column I, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. 7th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column G, column E, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Column G, 5th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column E, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 5th row, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 7th row, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Column F, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.